What is Six Sigma? Six Sigma is a project-based approach for improving effectiveness and efficiency. Six Sigma is a methodology focused on creating breakthrough improvements by managing variations and reducing defects in the processes. Six Sigma strives for perfection in achieving effectiveness and efficiency in meeting customer and business requirements. Six Sigma is a proactive and prevention-based instead of reactive and detection-based. A Six Sigma process is very consistent with a very little variation and therefore has a very small standard deviation. As a result, only 3.4 parts per million or less out of the specification. Let's take a simple example of what Six Sigma can do. Let's take pizza delivery as an example. A pizza delivery shop that promises the order delivery within 30 minutes from the time of accepting an order. In the event of a delivery time miss, the customer is refunded 100% money. In this case, delivery time is a critical to quality parameter. We call it as CTQ from a customer perspective. And this parameter has a significant impact on profits. Not only just profit, it also acts as an entry barrier for competition. Because if you are keeping promise of delivering the pizza within the promised time, which is 30 minutes, then you get a better brand perception. So you get a good customer base, a loyal customer base, and thereby it not only reflects your profit, but also makes your brand more stronger. Such a parameter is called as CTQ, critical to quality. In our case, our CTQ name is timely pizza delivery, and CTQ measure is time in minutes, and CTQ specification is delivery within 30 minutes from the order acceptance time. And defect is a delivery that takes longer than 30 minutes. And the unit is order. An opportunity is one order is an opportunity. So you can make you can do only one defect per order, which means you can either deliver order in time, which is within 30 minutes, or you exceed 30 minutes, then it will be considered as a defect from a Six Sigma perspective. For a pizza delivery shop to achieve Six Sigma level of maturity, they are allowed only 3 defects, which is delivery time exceeding 30 minutes, in 1 million deliveries made. This is very significant. This requires a breakthrough improvements in a systematic manner by managing variations, reducing defects. So how do we achieve this through Six Sigma? We follow 5-phase methodology, DMAIC, D-M-A-I-C. Define, measure, analyze, improve, and control. DMAIC for short. In define phase, we define the process goals in terms of key critical parameters. For example, CTQ. In our case, the CTQ is delivery time. It's based on the customer requirements. In measure phase, we measure the current process performance in the context of the goal. In our case, we measure the pizza delivery time. In analyze phase, we analyze the current scenario in terms of causes of variations and defects. So we essentially analyze if there is a delay, if there is a delay in the delivery, what are the causes and what are the variations you see on a regular deliveries. In improve phase, we improve the process by systematically reducing the variation and eliminating the defects. So this is the process where we try different ideas, different methods, different techniques, maybe tools. It can range from your order taking system to how you're packing it, how many shops you have in this location so that you can actually deliver the pizza from the nearest location to the customer. All of these ideas are actually implemented and systematically tried in the improve phase. Once we achieve a Six Sigma standard where you can deliver almost all the deliveries within 30 minutes as promised. We go to the control phase, which essentially focuses on the future performance of the process, does not slip back to the old practices. So we have controls in place so that the improved process stay in that efficiency without slipping back to older practices. So in summary, Six Sigma is a very effective methodology to improve processes, reduce deviation. Few examples where Six Sigma can be implemented is reducing patient wait times in hospitals, minimizing defects in manufacturing, cutting down billing hours, and improving guest experience in hotels, etc.